in this journey of the Prophet ﷺ in Hudaybiyah, they had rain one night. And the Prophet ﷺ, after praying Fajr prayer, told the companions that Allah the Almighty revealed to him that the people are divided into two divisions or parts. One who woke up this morning believing in me and disbelieving in the stars. And the other part woke up this morning believing in the stars and disbelieving in the Allah, the Almighty. And he explained to us that whomever said that we were rained because of the star of so-and-so, this is a believer of the stars and a disbeliever of Allah. And whoever said that Allah the Almighty has rained us and blessed us with this rain, then this is a person believing in me and disbelieving in the stars. And this shows us a very important branch of monotheism or of Tawheed. Islam is very sensitive to anything that might be associated with Allah the Almighty, in the sense that you may not do anything that would jeopardize your faith and belief, or that would be considered an act of shirk, and that is associating others with Allah. And there are books that talk about this subject. It's a very important subject. For example, if a person joins Allah with another, then this is considered to be shirk verbally. If he intended that this person or this thing is equivalent to Allah, then this becomes the major shirk that Allah Azza wa Jal never forgives. So if someone says that had it not been to the doctor, my son would have died. If he intends that the doctor was a mean of treatment, and he was not the source of treatment, he was just a cause that Allah Azza wa Jal had put, then this is considered to be a verbal form of associating with Allah the Almighty. But if the man said that with the intention that the one who brought the cure and initiated the healing process is the doctor, and did not even pay any attention to Allah the Almighty, this would be blasphemy. This would be associating others with Allah. And it's a very critical issue that a lot of the people tend to neglect or not pay the proper attention to it. And that is why Islam is the only religion that preserves monotheism to that extent. Not even the Prophet ﷺ is to be associated with Allah. Make a common mistake. They hang in their houses the name of Allah and next to it the name of Muhammad. So you come into houses and you find Allah Muhammad. And this is also unacceptable because it's associating the Prophet ﷺ's name to the name of Allah as if they are equal. All your actions depend on your intentions. But having said that, your actions should also be acceptable by Allah. So it is not acceptable for a person to claim that his intention is for da'wah, though he is sincere. His intention is 100% for da'wah. But his actions are 100% against Islam. In the sense that if a person goes to a nightclub and sits with a beautiful woman and maybe dance with her or dine with her, and his intention is to call her to Islam. Now his intention is good, but his actions are unacceptable. So this is a different story. We're talking about the actions that are permissible. The intentions make these actions forms of worship, or it nullifies Islam with it.